Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about media planning. Media planning is the process of identifying and selecting media outlets, mainly newspapers, magazines, websites, television and radio stations, and outdoor placement in which to place paid advertisement. The marketplace is brimming with large variety of media. Therefore, a careful approach is to be made in deciding the proper media through media planning. The media planning deals with the biggest portion of the advertiser's budget. Under media planning, the planner have got two major roles, that is analyzing the market and evaluating media channel effectiveness. So we can say that media planning is the process of determining how to use time and space to achieve marketing objectives. Media planning is the process by which marketers determine where, when, and how often they will run an advertisement in order to maximize engagements and return on investment. The media plan might split advertising spend and resources between various online and offline channels such as broadcast, print, paid advertisements, video advertisements, or native content. It is the process of determining and designing a course of action that shows how advertising funds will be used in purchasing time and space and how they should be utilized to contribute towards the achievement of marketing and advertising objectives. An effective media plan will result in a set of advertising opportunities that target a specific audience and fit in with the organization's marketing budget. When establishing a media plan, marketers will often factor in the following consideration. Who does the advertisement need to reach? What is the marketing budget? Conversion goals, frequency of the message, reach of the message, and how to define the success. In today's competitive marketing space, marketers need to serve the consumers with the right message at the right time and on the right channel in order to see the engagements. Media planning is where marketers determine what these rights are. So we can say that media planning is most often done by media planners at advertising agencies. Media planners must work with the media buyers and the client organization to develop a strategy to maximize return on investment on media spent. Media planners are required to have a firm understanding of the organization's brand and target audience, various media platforms, and developing media trends. So, media planning is basically done by the media planners at the advertising agencies. So, the media planners' major duty is to work with the media buyers and the clients' organizations to develop a strategy to maximize the return on investment of the media spent. So, the media planners are required to have a firm understanding of the organization, brand, and a target audience. So, in order to identify the target audience and the various types of media platforms and to identify the latest trends in media, the advertisers need the help or support of the media planners. So, in media planning, the decisions are based upon the creative strategy established for the campaign and the characteristics of the market. So, media planning is an important phase of advertising campaign after the preparation of the right message. So, the concept of media planning is based on the answers of certain questions such as whom are we trying to reach, where they are located, and what is the best time for them to see the advertisement. So we can say that media planning are those activities after having received an objective, defines targets, identifies key factors and elements essential in attaining these objectives. Then it selects various media based on past experience, taking into consideration a reasonable budgets. So we already Explain that the media planning is based on certain answers of certain questions such as whom are we trying to reach, and the answer for to this question depend upon the market segmentation. All people can be the prospective buyers, but some of them are more inclined to buy. So the market segment can be on the basis of demographic, psychographic, social class, culture and subculture, and lifestyles. The marketer has to try to answer the question whom are we trying to reach based on this categorization. So we can say that media planning is more involved with formulating a strategy, evaluating its effectiveness, and adjusting while buying is the execution of the strategy. So there is a question, why is media planning is more important? Today's modern marketing often requires marketers to leverage multiple forms of media, and a media plan provides marketers with centralized information across all platforms. This helps to optimize campaigns and messaging as well as streamline the campaign review process. This is the importance of media planning.